Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arum Kusuma Wardani. I would like to explain my understanding about types and scale of data. There are two basic types of data, qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative is non-numerical, attribute, and categorical. Qualitative actually has number, but that number doesn't need to measure or calculate. So sometimes you must be careful because the number is just a label and doesn't have a real kind. So even if there is number, it's still called qualitative data. For example, color, brand, types of defect, etc. The second is quantitative. Quantitative is numerical scale. For example, counts, time, temperature, mass, weight, height, length, and all of the things that you could measure. Example of qualitative data: color of hair, brands of clothes, types of skin, shirt size like S, M, L, and XL. The example of quantitative data: body temperature, mass of bearing, number of defect, weight of a person, and height of a person. Two types of quantitative data. First, discrete. A lot of things that are counting things are discrete. For example, counts, number of people with a certain blood types, number of dots on the top faces of a pair or dice, number of girls in a class of 30, salaries of employees, number of die rolls until 6 is obtained, number of defects in a set of parts. The second is continuous, uncountably infinite. Include an interval of real numbers like all number between say 0 until 10, including all possible decimal numbers. Although we often run off continuous data, if measured more precisely, we can obtain more optimal decimal places. For example, height, weight, length, speed, temperatures, mass of bearing, weight of a person, body temperature, floor area of a building, and etc. Now talks about 4 levels of data in increasing order of information. First, nominal, second, ordinal, the third, interval, and the fourth, ratio. We can remembering with the simple name like Neuer, N for nominal, O for ordinal, I for interval, and R for ratio. First, let's talk about nominal. Names of categories only, categorical attribute only, no inherent order, mathematical operations don't make sense. For example, color, manufacturer, flavor. Second is ordinal. Categories which also have order, inherent order, no absolute numerical scale, subtraction and divisions don't make sense. For example, Likert type scale, sizes, places. Next, interval. Categories, order, and scale. Addition and subtraction make sense. No natural zero, multiplication and division don't make sense, and limited to dates and temperature. Next is ratio. category, order, scale, and natural zero. Discrete or continuous. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide all make sense. For example, counts, weight, height. That's all my understanding about types and scale of data. I'm sorry if I make a mistake. Thank you very much and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.